time. It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. And tonight, we got a special firework, another Minion from Sun's Fireworks. And look at those big eyes. This is Tim. Now, last year, we did a firework called Kevin. This is Kevin's good friend Tim. He's all set. You can see he's got his Minion helmet on. And Tim wanted me to tell you, we got this exclusively sold at Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com, the #1 safe and sane firework retail in the state of Arizona. 75 plus locations this season for the July 4th 250th birthday celebration. Whoa! And not only are they in Arizona, they're in New Mexico, and guess what? Hey, you in Eastern Texas, well, Western Texas, get on over to El Paso. They're going to be in El Paso, Texas this year, too. Go to santanfireworks.com, santanfireworks.com for a location nearest you. And when you get there, tell them BBQ Rando sent you. Also, Tim sent you. So, we're going to take a look around. We don't really see anything here other than adult supervision. I think I'm old enough to like this. Ziggy's here, everybody. Say hello to Ziggy. He's always working. He doesn't sleep. And we're going to head over with Tim to the launch pad. Yeah, we are. When it gets dark, and we'll see what Tim can light and crackle away. Whoa! All right, we made it to the launch pad with Tim. That's Tim from Sun's Fireworks. You know what? We're going to light his head on fire here. Let's see what happens with Tim. See if he loses his cap. Look at him. He's got those bug eyes. Whoa, that's the same color as Tim right now.